Hello guys, good morning. Another day, another vlog. Dito tayo ngayon sa may park, sa may backyard namin, sa likod. Ayan si Jewel, nagpa-park. Magka-sun park daw siya, magka-sun park. Ayan, kasi may sun park dito. Sun bar dito sa alam. Ayan. Tuwang-tuwa. Sasaglit kami rito, then pupunta kami ng Green Park, magpo-football. Say hi Jewel to your vlog.
Hello. Hi. Welcome to your channel, everyone.
Good job. See you guys. Balikan namin kayo ha. Ayan, dito muna kami maglalaro lang. Oh, ayan.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
I'm making a volcano.
Yeah. No, look. It's alright, it's alright. Napakaganda ng panahon. Ano yan? Ice cream. Cones of ice cream. Be careful yan, madula ano yan dyan, slide. Okay. Okay. Oh, ikaw naman.
To football training, guys. Can I vlog first? Hey! Look!
Hi! Oh, ikaw, ano? Oh, sige, ayan lang.
I want to vlog! I want to hold it!
Ayan.
I want to hold
Oh,
it.
ayan. Uy! Oh, si Daddy na ito. Hi! I'm Daddy's angel.
Yan.
Angel. Oh, dyan mo tamaan yan.
Oh.
Diba?
Ayan, si Daddy ko.
Vlog mo like this. Ikaw naman.
Okay.
Pass.
Not you! Go there! Go there.
Goal! Galing! So bright!
Wait. No. I will show you a cool trick.
This is trick?
Yeah. I'm home.
Sipa. Oh.
No, there. You go there.
Go! O doon ka sa malayo, paspas tayo. O, pass mo kay Dada. Oo, sige. Layo naman. Ang layo naman dyan. Ang layo. Okay, my turn. Oh, stay there, stay there. Stay there nga. What's that? Oh, punta ka doon, punta ka doon. Isushoot ni daddy doon. Isushoot ni daddy dyan, sige. Go. Game. Yeah! Oh, galing ah. Papawis tayo guys. Ho! Oh! Okay. Go.
Where does it go?
Oh my goodness.
I want to go. Hello.
Sarap na original oh. May duda yun. Kala mo ah. Enough na. Ito natin yung ball. Ano? Andre Park?
Not me, not me.
Oh. Sisipain ko dyan ha. Ah! Far. Layo. Sipa. Oh. Ano, pagod na? You're tired, right? Whoop! Ano, let's go na?
No.
No? Why? Punta tayo dun sa ano? Another park. Water muna, water muna. Wow ka? Nawaw ka?
I want 2x2.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's why I told you. Wait lang, wait.
No, I won't.
Oh yan. Wow ka? Okay, let's go. Okay, go. Just let's go na. Sit lang here, okay?
No, I need to. Hello.
Peekaboo.
Just like that, we did it. No. Again.
Oh, be careful, mahulog ka.
Again.
Again. Going around?
The world.
Nahilo ka? Nakakahilo eh, no? I should stop?
More.
Oh, yan oh. What?
No, put your vlog in the other hand and then hila me.
Ay, sus, hila.
Yan.
Gusto niya nagpapahila. Pagod na daw siya. Pagod nagpapahila, oh. Tingnan nyo guys, oh.
Hey! I see the baby.
Silly baby daw.
Look, I brought this one.
Okay, okay. Ay,
I
naku,
want
bata.
come on.
Ha? Sus, oh, makamalo ka, makatama ka dyan. Be careful, okay? Doon kami pupunta ngayon sa aming another park na naman tayo.
Ayaw ko on the park.
Ano gusto mo?
Hey, park! Andre Park!
Andre Park? A little bit lang, then going to buy some toys. Na naman. That is a secret for us. Alaga namang bata.
Mommy.
Oh, ang daming ano dito, people dito. Why?
Because maybe they like to play.
Yeah, maybe.
Like something, Daddy.
Yes.
Look,
Ano?
babe.
Baka andyan si,
Emma.
Emma, your friend. Did you see Emma at your school? No, not yet. Maybe she's a nursery, right? Okay. Oh, sige.
No, with 2 hands.
Give
Put your camera down there. No, put your camera down in the floor.
No, I like this one. Para maganyan kita.
No.
O, higa lang. Kita ko langot. Relax, relax. Relax, relax. Wow!
Ganda buhay dito.
Ganda buhay dito.
Move aside, I will kick you.
Ganda buhay dito. Balikan namin kayo, guys. Jewel! Hey! Go, go, Jewel! Go! Hi! Saan tayo punta ngayon? Where we going now? Saan tayo punta? Morrison. Ewan ko naman kung anong pagtitripan na itong bilhin na naman. May papabili ito sa akin eh. Oh, what?
Karga.
Anong karga? Oh, go, go. Oh, dito ka na oh. Hilain kita. Yeah, diba? May papabili sa akin si Jewel. I don't know ano. What? Ha? Toys again? Let's see. Big toys or small toys? Big toys.
So I love that.
Okay. Ano lang naman gusto nito yung stuffed toys. Mahilig sa stuffed toys.
No. Also hard toy.
Hard toys? Soft toys lang.
Dad.
Yes. Balikan namin kayo ni Jewel. Pag nasa Morrison na kami.
No.
Chocolate, come here. Oh, chocolate. No chocolate? Naku, ano kaya papabili nito na naman? Which one? Which one? Nothing here. Kala ko ba big one? Ha? Kala ko big one. What's that?
I like it.
Ano ba yan? Candy?
No, sand. Look.
Ah, sand.
No,
Like this one? How much?
No. No,
Oh my god, 10 pounds.
it is okay. I don't want to buy it.
Okay, are you sure?
No. Yeah.
You like that one? Naisa na naman
It
ako
got
ng
golden hair. I like it.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Golden here?
I already have windows.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah. Look at her brown hair. It looks nice. In the top, I like her golden one.
Ayaw ng Hello Kitty. Tsaka yung
Because I already have Hello Kitty.
yung sand ayaw.
When I was 5-year-old, Chloe
Can you
gave
show me?
me.
Can you show me this one? It's nice. Okay. That's your service. No, say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
I will hold this one because this is my stuff.
Okay.
Eating
Bye.
ice cream now in the
Ice
Kalakay.
Mag-ice cream daw muna kami.
Because
After a long walk, ice cream. Then go home, right?
yeah.
Oh. Dito muna kami sa ano. Lapit na kami sa bahay. Ice cream muna kami. Kapagod. Let's go. Matumba yan mamaya. Bye-bye muna tayo sa vlog.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye vlog. See you next vlog.
Yes.
See you next vlog guys. Happy weekend.